Hey everyone, how are you? This is a propane canister and this is a butane canister to show how small this propane canister is. It holds 50 grams of propane. This is a 2-bar pressure regulator, not to be confused with a low pressure regulator. What that does is it converts the propane pressure to the same pressure as butane, and that pressure would be considered normal room temperature pressure. So when the gas is at its room temperature. These are 3 stoves, and I can run that off of that one small bottle of propane. Over here I have a Camping Moon gas distribution center. So I have the gas coming in down here. I've taken this cap off of here and I'm placed this gas line into here, which goes over to this stove right here. And then these 2 controls right here for identical Butane stoves, as you can see there. So if your utility company was having a really bad day, you can keep moving along. So we'll turn on this one here. And we'll turn on this one over here. And as you can see, I'm running 3 stoves off of a very small propane canister. Now, how long that would run? Not terribly long, but if I really wanted to, I would put a larger propane canister out there and use it, or hook that up to a much larger propane canister, that being a tank, with one of these. So this is an Acme nut that will allow you to connect the hose to this system here. So you could have this running for like a campsite, for example, or for longer term power outages. So yes, there it is, cooking with gas. Ironically, cooking with gas on an induction stove. So 3 stoves running off of small propane canister. So 50 grams, I'd probably get a couple meals if I was just cooking with just one stove and doing that where I'm conserving my fuel, like I'm using these heat sink pots and kettles. Those are the most efficient manner that I can cook with low heat and get every bit of that heat, or as much as possible, into the pot rather than out in the air. So I'm already starting to come up to boil on 1 or 2 of these. I'm not sure which one. It's just water in here for testing purposes. Yep, that's coming up to boil. So is that one. Well, we'll see which one comes up to boil. Since I really don't care, I just put that all the way up. So that's as high as it goes. So how long do you think it will run? Alright, this one started to boil right here, so we'll turn off that one. This one started to boil, so we'll turn off that one. And this one started to boil. So, pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, take care everybody. And again, just so you know, that's the centerpiece of this video.